Oh, that's gone viral, that. You know what I mean? Yeah, what do you want? I'll be home when I'm ready. Did you make food or not? Really, how many times I'll tell you not to do that? You know what? You're useless. You mean nothing to me. You're a shame, not just to me, to the whole family. Do you understand? I'll come home when I'm ready. Do you understand? Yalla, bye. What's that, Steve? She frustrates me, man. I can't take it anymore. I've been having dramas for the last couple of years. It's only getting worse. I'm over it.
That's appalling. I can't believe you speak to your wife like that. Bro, our Prophet has told us the best of you are those that are best to their wives. And I am the best to my wife. What was that?
She doesn't get it.
Yeah, she may make mistakes, but that doesn't justify the way you're talking to her. Our Prophet has ordered us, Steve. You know this. He's ordered us to be kind and gentle towards our women. And for what, Steve? Over food? Our Prophet never complained about anything that was ever presented in front of him. She's your wife, man. This is a trust. It's a trust from Allah. Someone's daughter. That's someone's sister. Do you want someone to speak to your daughter like that? You want someone to treat your sister like that? You're a Muslim, Steve. You're better than that.
You're right. I am better than that. She deserves better than that. I need help.
That's okay. We all need help at one stage. Seeking help, Steve, doesn't make you less of a man. It makes you a better man. So you can start off by apologizing and buy her a gift. And don't worry, I'll help you.
I'm going to change.
Inshallah.